Say hello, Monster.
Hello, Monster.
Alright, what do we have here?
Grease.
Grease, that's right. This is the 48 Ford from the movie Grease. It's Grease Lightning. What color is the car?
White.
White. What's on the side there?
Oil.
Oh, what? Oil? Not oil. What is that right there? What's that right there? Alright, let's open it up.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already open. We failed on the first try. Alright. Pull it out of there. Don't worry about that piece, guys. Here. Alright, let's put it up there. Put it up here, silly. Not all the way back here. Take a look at it. Wow, what color are the tires?
White.
White wall, yeah. Put it down, Monster.
I have it.
Yeah. Look at it. That's pretty cool, huh?
Look.
Say, it's got lightning bolts on the side.
Look at that.
Okay, you gonna talk about it for a second? Talk about it.
Look at the wheels.
Yeah. See, it's convertible. It's got no top.
It's sticky? What's like a line? It's like rubber.
Rubber? Yeah, rubber tires. Yeah. All right. Say this is the 48 Ford from the Retro Entertainment from Hot Wheels. From the movie Grease. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.